Today we'll be viewing the Dematron DM-1510. It's a programmable sewing machine, 6 by 4 inch capacity. As you can tell on the screen, this is the pattern we're going to sew, 2 box X's right next to each other. This is for a tarp handle. So here we go, guys. We're also utilizing 138 nylon, bonded nylon thread. And here we go, check it out. There you go. Now this machine is also set up with a quick change clamp. Basically, you can go from one clamp to another clamp without having to make any adjustments on alignment or anything like that. Basically, you've got 2 set screws on each side. Pull those out, the clamp completely detaches, and so does the bottom plate with just that one lever. If you're looking to automate your sewing process and need help with customized tooling or even a programmable sewing machine, we can help you here at DEMA. 1-888-492-5553. Call that number and we'll be happy to help. Stay safe and God bless.